I got some more down there, but there's a couple more up there. It's funny when you start looking, if you look straight at a staple, lots of times you can't see it. Dig my smaller. And I'm going to get as much of that off as I can. You know, I'm just working with the white mold spores first. Of course, I got a mask on. I got my asthma spray down in the out there in case I need that. I'm just gonna kind of get this before I check out that black stuff. Some of this stuff scraped off, and if you think you're going to get it all by just scraping a little bit, no. You get it that good and you say, oh, that's good enough, I'm not going to do anything, I fixed it. No, you have not fixed anything yet. Okay? Just haven't done it yet. But I want to do as good as I can first. Before I treat it. Okay? I like this one because it's got kind of a handle on it. But a lot of times you got to use something small, and see half the tines have come off, and then there's stuff out of the tip where you can get in inside corners. And I should have brought my other one. I got a 3-pack of this small one for probably less than buying 2 small ones. So I always try to look for that at the store, you know. I just bought some mini rollers for paint, and 2 covers cost almost the same as buying a 6-pack. And I'm like, I don't think I'm going to need a 6-pack of the roller covers, but I'm probably going to need 2. And so if I'm going to spend almost the same with 2, maybe I would have saved 50 cents instead of buying the 6. And that's almost like a no-brainer. It's like, well, might as well get the 6. So always look at that at the store. Okay? Because you never know. Maybe you have to use 3. You think, oh shoot, now I got to go back to the store. Maybe you can't buy just a single. You have to buy a 2-pack, and you only need 1 more. So you should have bought the 6. Silly. I'm just trying to get this stuff out of the way. Last thing I want to do is hit one of these as I'm scraping or sweeping. Okay, there. Now, I guess I should stand up so I'm not breathing directly into that. And the reason why I put the cardboard down is because I'm hoping not to get it all down into the dirt, especially if there's anything in here like little bugs. Let's just see. I'm not sure what that stuff is. It doesn't look like it looks different than dry rot. I'm not seeing anything living, luckily so far. But see, this goes way up. I can't get above this. There's only going to be so much I can get, it looks like. You know, down along here. And I could have, last time we had the pest control guy out here, man, I should have had him come down here with a flashlight to have him give me his thoughts on what he thought this was. The good thing is, it doesn't look like it's too major. And again, I don't think it's termite. If it was termite activity, I'd see all kinds of lines kind of dug into the dirt, dug into the wood, and I'd see little creepy crawlers all over the place. I'd see termite poop. This more looks like, I don't know, like they made a house. There's nothing in it. Almost like whatever it was, it's kind of gone away. It's kind of gone away. I don't know how that happens. You know, usually when something's there, it just stays. Let's get the light shined up there a little better. I'll get you in there closer. It almost looks sandy, like black sandy grit. I'm thinking some bugs caused that. I don't think that's from water damage. But see, there's a couple little holes right in there, see? But termites do something different. I thought it might be a boring beetle or something. You know, I don't see anything. There's another little hole right in there. Those three there. I don't see anything crawling around. Yeah, I don't see anything down in there. Let's get this shining over here. You know, a lot of times the beauty of my videos are I don't scope it out first and try to figure out what I'm going to say and all that. I kind of want to do this the same time you're seeing it. You know? See, it doesn't really look, I don't know. This place is 17 years old, at least, and if that's not too bad, actually, for as long as that is. See, there's a little bit of mushroom type stuff right in there, but it doesn't really look that bad. You know, so I'm gonna scrape more. See, up in here it's all nice and clean. Up here and along the rest of the wall it looks pretty good, except see there's a little bit more. right up in there. Still not too bad, huh? And then everywhere else. See, if that had all kinds of bugs on it, I'd actually see them crawling around. See, this looks all good, doesn't it? That makes me happy knowing that the rest of the deck is in pretty good shape. So, that's it for this time. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Okay, now before this next time, this next video, I'm gonna have to suit up. Yeah.